Okay, so do I need? Is it gonna burn
Do
you?
it from like an angle and then twist it.
Okay, I'm gonna go up in there. You ready?
Yeah.
Can y'all see? Is it hot?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ready? This isn't so bad to do to you. And then twist. I maybe got a little bit much on that one.
Hello, ladies. Oh, that's what I'm saying. Oh, Lord.
You're so cute.
I feel like a walrus.
You like your, what are those called?
Tusk?
Tusk. He's got his tusk. Pinch the top of your nose. So when we pull, we're going to pinch the top of your nose. Got it. I think you spit on me. Okay, so got to pinch his nose, right?
You got to pull hard, quick.
Okay, you ready? You want to do it or you want me to?
No, just do it.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Holy bat balls.
Ew, that's so hairy. Ew. You did so good, but ew. Did it hurt?
No.
Don't lie. Did
It
it hurt?
didn't.
No, this one's going to be.
This one's going to hurt.
Because this may rip his.
Don't swallow your gum. I'm trying not to. This might rip my mustache off too, ladies. Ah, dang. Pull that sunbutt. Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Ow.
This one.
That one hurt.
Because that did. Yo, that's his mustache right there. I'm sorry, baby, right there.
It'll be all right.
Maybe we should do a little bit right there.
It'll be all right.
Look at all that, you guys.
That's cool.
It kind of makes me want to do it.
Damn,
too.
that's my mustache?
Yeah.
God dang, woman.
I did bleed a little bit.
Holy bat balls.
Sorry.
God.
I love you.
Love you too.
Yeah, I love you. I'm sorry.